when these desires and feelings and emotions increase, I have to see Krishna. I have to see Krishna. I've got to see Krishna. 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 I want to please the devotees. I want to please the Brijvasis. I want to please everyone. At every moment, and I have to love them all and serve them all and not make any offenses, and just they're all my family members and they've accepted me, so I have to love them and serve them with so much gratitude and sensitivity and personal loving care. And then Krishna, I really want. My relationship has been established. I've been given sthairati. A relationship of love has been established by the mercy of my Guru, and I'm destined to be an eternal loving servitor as a dasi of Radharani. I really want this. I want to be there. I want to render the service. I want to be in this sambandha with you, this prem sambandha. And it grows and it grows and it burns in your heart more and more. You try to express all these abhilashas and all these desires to everyone and whoever you meet. And then gradually that bhava, those emotions, those intensities of abhilash, Krishna prapti abhilash, Krishna anukuli abhilash, and Krishna prem sambandha abhilash, have a desire to have a loving relationship with Krishna and Radharani. And your Gurudev, your Guru Sakhi, and all the Guru Sakhis and Manjaris in your line. It's a family. That's how devotees speak here. Oh, I'm our family. It's so beautiful.